If this bar closes above um, all of these highs, I think I'll buy the close. Two good bull bars. It is a trading range, but two pretty good bull bars if they both close on their highs and are both decently sized. I think that increases the chances of higher prices. So let's see what we get. Okay, just bought there. It can be seen as a 1 bar breakout above the trading range. So we could get a failed breakout, but the 2 bull bars, I think, increase the probability. I'm gonna have my first target at 50 cents for half my shares if we get there. So 3 pretty good bull bars here, good closes, good sized bodies. So I think that significantly increases the chances that we get a second leg up and that the first reversal down is bought. But because it's a trading range, we might pull back to the breakout point or maybe this breakout point. So if we get a bear body here or a doji or something, I might exit the full thing at 330.50 at 50 cents and then look to buy lower. Haven't decided yet. My initial plan was that if I get filled on the 50 cents here and then it continues to race up, then I can profit off that. But because we've already had 3 solid closes, I think we're probably going higher, but we may need to pull back for a couple legs first. So ideally, I'd exit all here and then be able to buy more lower at a better price. But the downside of that, or the trade-off, is that it may not pull back and we just continue higher. But because it's a trading range day, I think the odds are that we pull back below some of these breakout points, at least one. So if I can get filled up there, that'd be nice. If we pull back first, then I won't exit because I do think we'll get back up to the high close. But it would be nice to exit up here, my full position, which is what I'll do now, and be able to buy back lower. We're hesitating a little bit at the high close. I don't think this is enough for a massive sell-off. So even if we do pull back at the high close, I think we'll get back up there because I think we're going to get a second leg up, and I think we'll get a larger second leg up than just 1 bar like this. So I don't think this is actually the second leg up. We may pull back here for 2 legs and then get a more meaningful second leg. So it got filled on my 10 shares for 50 cents. That was a judgment call. I think it would have been okay either way to hold for higher targets, like a measure move target from this low to this high. That was at 330.87, so that would be reasonable. But I also think exiting where I did is reasonable because of the fact that it's a trading range day, and I think 50 cents is a decent sized scalp for a day like today. So obviously it's going higher now, but I think it's reasonable to do both. Sometimes I scalp out of fear and I think it's unreasonable to do that, and I just exited because I was scared of losing the profits. But today I think it's reasonable because of the fact that it's a trading range day. So I made $6 today, $5 on this one, 50 cents on 10 shares. And then on this one, I made $1. I bought above this bar as a high one once we flipped to always in long on bar 6. So this big rally. I don't know if this tail is actually accurate, but it was 3 consecutive bull bars after a potential final flag yesterday. So once we flipped to always in long, I was looking for a buy. I would have preferred a high 2, so I bought half size up here, and I was waiting for a second reversal up. But so I had my stop down here, and instead we just rallied. And once we got the tail on top here and the tail here, I decided to just exit at the close. So I had 2 shares and I exited with 50 cents. So I made $1 on that and $5 here, so $6 total.